The final built-in collection type in this lecture is dictionary. A dictionary is a collection of keys and values. Keys are unique within a dictionary while values may not be unique. We use a curly bracket to define a dictionary, and each item here is separated by the comma, separated the same thing that we see in the list, set, and tuple. But please note that each item here is a pair of key and value. Within them there is a column symbol. So for example, we have a fruit box equal to curly bracket. Let's say that in the fruit box you have fruit, and you also have the number of the fruit you have here. For example, apple, you have 5 apples, and the orange you have 6, and lemon you have 15. So here you put a colon and 15, and you close this curly bracket, and you can see the fruit box now is contains 3 elements, and each element is a pair of the key apples and a number 5 here, the key orange and the value 6 here, the key lemons and the value 15 here. So you can check the type of the fruit box. It's a dictionary. Okay, so the first thing you can do is create a dictionary, follow the syntax, and the second is accessing the value in dictionary. How do you do it? Okay, and to access the dictionary elements, you can use a familiar square bracket along with the key to obtain its value. For example, you have the fruit box, you want to see how many apple you have, so you put here the string apple inside the square bracket, and you see that it's 5. Okay, you can check with the other orange. For example, you see the 6 here, you can see the lemon is 15, right? So you can imagine the dictionary has a special way of indexing rather than using the sequencing number in list. Dictionary implements the key set to give each element a special index, which is key here. But you should be very careful that if the key is not exist in the dictionary, so let's say you want to see the number of the like a banana, but you don't have any banana, so you will see this kind of error. The next thing is about updating the dictionary. So we can update the current existing item. So let's say you buy more apple, then you will have more apple here. You can assign it to 10, and you can get it back the number of the apple, and you see it now it's a 10. You can see the whole dictionary now. You see here is the apple 10, right? The same way you can do to add new item into the dictionary. So here you add the banana. Let's say you set it to 30, so you will have the new dictionary. Here you see one more item, the banana and 30. Just next thing is about deleting dictionary elements. So you can remove the element in the dictionary using the den method. You you use a den, and you fruits box, and you put here the key you want to delete, like the banana. You eat them all, and you want to remove it from the box. and you can check again the fruit box here is yeah, the banana now is gone, right? The next thing is about the viewing method in dictionary. Here you see that there are many viewing method for the dictionary. So I would like to introduce to you the first is items, the method dictionary items. So the items will return the list of key and value tuple in the dictionary. So let's say the fruits item here. Sorry, we're missing the s. A fruit box. Sorry. So you must be careful about the syntax, identification, the identifier. So you see here the three. So what you can do, like you can do the for loop for the key and the value in the fruit box items, and you print out the key and the value here. What you will see is you see the apple 10, the orange 6, and lemon 15, right? Okay. The next method is the keys. The key method returns a list of dictionary keys. So let's say you have the fruit box and you call the keys method, and you can see that you see the apple, the orange, the lemon. You don't see the number of the fruit here in the fruit box. You only see the key. You only see it key, right? And the last is the values method returns a dictionary values. So fruit box, and you call the method values. Here you will see only the value. You see no key here, right? Okay, that is about the dictionary. I hope you can understand the basic insight of the dictionary, and you can do yourself the coding practice with this method. So I have introduced the four viewing collection: list, set, tuple, and dictionary. So which collection should we use? The list is the best for the sequence and collection, which needs to maintain order, while set is best for unordered collection, and when we need the efficient set operation like subset, superset, union, and intersection. The tuple is best for grouping different types of variables and expressions, and the dictionary is used when you need to implement your own way of indexing. You use a key instead of the index number from 0. And actually the complexity and performance of these four viewing collections are different, depends on actual situation. This is an advanced topic which is not covered in this lecture, and this is not the goal of this course. And in this lecture, I expect you understand the basic insight of how to create a list, a set, a tuple, and a dictionary. And I hope you to do a lot of practice with these four viewing collection. You have to practice how to use it, how to access the element, how to use the method, and many ways to combine things. And hope you make sure that you understand them very well before moving on to the next lecture.